For decades in software and software engineering, we have told business leaders if it is not broken, don't fix it. But with AI, I think it's time we have to revisit. If it's not broken, I think those are the systems that you need to first look at. Let me explain why. Last month in Mexico, one of the largest public data breach happened. About 20 million public records from water utility, electricity bill, electoral rolls, income tax reports, everything got hacked. And what is the very scary part in this? It's not done by a state actor or a malicious security expert, but by a single person. That's how people are thinking. And using just Claude Code and then OpenAI Codex, they were able to first find the vulnerability in some of the older systems running in Mexican government and then asking it to act and download the data. Now, what is the message here for enterprises? That system in your organization, which many of your business departments are connecting to, but that has not been looked at all in the last many years because it is super critical. Now, that is the system a disgruntled employee or a former employee or your competitor is going to take advantage of. This threat always existed. What is new now, you may ask? New is the AI systems, the power that comes from this agentic AI and these new LLM models, which can find security vulnerability in any code very easily. And these latest systems can look at your old code and find these vulnerabilities that any human wouldn't be able to find, or it'll be super expensive for you. So what is the call to action? There are two things that you can do. First, sit with your technical leader or your CTO, ask them to do a list of systems that have not been updated or published in the last 6 to 12 months. That is your starting point. That's your first audit. Then, using that list, ask your systems people to find the critical systems in those and use these same AI tools that the hacker is going to use to go through these systems, find the vulnerabilities, then patch it before the bad guys do. I will start with those systems which are very old, which have not been updated, which are written with older frameworks and older systems. Now, that is one thing you can do. And then the second is to get these tools for all your developers so that any new code that they are publishing is security validated. AI is making these security tools, which used to cost thousands of dollars, available very easily for you. If you like to continue this conversation, you know how to contact me.